Hi everyone, Archana here. Finally, I finished my passion wardrobe. So here it is. I'm sorry, it's a little bit weird angle. I'm trying my best to show you like vertically, uh, like you can see. This is what we have created. In last video, I showed how to assemble the wardrobe and all. So here I have decorated all these things. I also have tutorial of how to assemble this standing girl and all, so ballerina. And what I did, I just cut out some of the papers right here. On the same collection I have added this one, and on the top I will just show you. On the top you can see I have used Stamperia's one of the mold, which is passion mold. I have the link in the description box if you are interested. So this is the mold I have used. It says dance, and this thing I have done last time, so this is the new one. And then I will show you the albums inside. First of all, we'll open it and we just light up first. So let me just put the camera on the right angle. So this is the wardrobe. This is the light button we are using. This is the light button here, so just light up. And here you go, you can see all this drama here. It's a stage, it's almost look like a real stage, right? I'm just so happy with this lighting thing. And inside also the lighting on the one side in the wardrobe, you can see right here. And I have added the plain paper inside and some of the decorative paper inside, you can see on the back only. But on the side, on the top, on the bottom, I have used just the plain cardstock. And here I have added one of the dress form, whatever ballerina dress from the collectibles. And then when you open this drawer, we have small album. And first of all, I'll show you this album. So this is the mold again here. So they come in same set, the dance and this dress form. And there is a big huge ballerina. I'll show you quickly. So this is the same dress form. This dress has sleeves, but I just cut off the sleeves. This is the same mold, you can see. And I have used some magic mold here, magic clay I mean. And here is the unfinished one. This is the huge big nice pose of the ballerina. So pretty, right? So this mold is available at craftycity.com if you are interested. And you can see I have used on top as my cover page. Very cute, right? And these flowers are also included in the kit. I have used some of my own die cut sleeves and all. And I have used Stamperia's these very pretty these cream based like rub and buff, not buffing, but you can just use as a just the paint actually, but they are so pretty. They called wax. So I have 6 colors in here, you can see, and they smell so good. It's a lime smell they have, and I almost feel like just eat one spoonful of this. They smell so good. They don't have like artificial waxy smell, and they are very easy to use. Just use your paintbrush and color it on your project. So I just did same thing. I have used some gold and I think rose gold pink color, and it looks like this. And then inside I have pretty much simple album. I have created one pocket here, you can see I have some leftover things in there. Here is a big page, there is pocket on the top, so I have created my own pages here. But in the kit you have Prima album, same size album. I have made my own album. And here next page also has one of the pocket, pretty color pages, and here is pocket too. This whole page I just like it as it is, so I kept it as it is. Very beautiful, very nice collage kind of page. And here the rose, very beautiful. Here I also added one of the pocket here, and I have used one of the collectible image. Super cute, right? This image is amazing. And this album is pretty simple, and it has so much space for your pictures. So here is also here one. So I kept these pages as it is. As you can see, they are so pretty beautiful. And since this album is small, we don't need any like very much detailing like small tags and all that, but you can do here as per your creativity. But make sure do not use many more things, otherwise this album will not go inside this drawer. So it fits really well in there. And now I have this tag. This is also pretty much simple tag book I have created because I wanted to use more pictures. So I have used some of the seam binding from my stash. So it starts from here actually. So you can see seam binding is here. And in the collectibles you have some of these dresses, ballerina dresses, and they are both sided, so double sided, and they're so cute. So I just punch here and used as a tag. And then we have ballerina page here. I kept it as it is right there. Then when you turn this, you have a belly band here. I have created backside. Mostly I have created pockets, either pockets, belly bands, or maybe pockets mostly. So you can see right there. Then when you turn the other page, there is a blue colored dress, you can see right there. I have used some acetate to hang on, so I created a clear hanger here, random size actually, random shape. And here is this window, very cute. And then on the back side there is a pocket, so you can insert pictures. And then on the other side there is a violin, very cute. And there is a small dress from another dress. And this is the violin, very cute, right? And on the back side there are two pockets actually. One is on the top and one is right there, because these tags are very nice size, so you can create pockets and pages as well. There is another dress here, so each tag I have used one dress. And there is a beautiful image of this door, so I have just used it right there. You can create a pocket here, but I didn't. And then on the back side there is a big pocket, you can see, very deep, nice big pocket. And then on this side there is a pink dress, and I use this tag upside down because I want to secure this pocket. There is another pocket, you can see, so I just put it upside down and I kept plain side as a backing, like that, like this. Okay, very cute page, right? And this tag goes really well inside, it meant for this wardrobe. So that goes like that. And here it is. This is our ballerina wardrobe is ready, and I hope you liked it. And I have it's available, and I ordered more, so some of you are still waiting on your kit, I know that, but I'm making sure they will be on your way on Monday or Tuesday for sure. So thank you so much for patiently waiting. Since I posted this, all kits are sold out, but still don't worry, they all are back in stock now. So thank you so much again for watching. Bye for now.